Hello, my fellow Nigerians. See what is happening in Aso Rock. He said, tension hits Aso Rock as lawmakers give Tinubu 72 hours ultimatum to unfreeze Nsipa accounts. Tension is rising at the Aso Rock presidential villa as the House of Representatives has given President Bola Tinubu a 72-hour ultimatum to unfreeze all accounts belonging to the National Social Investment Programs Agency. This decision has sparked growing concerns within the political sphere, as lawmakers have demanded the immediate resumption of critical social welfare programs that had been suspended earlier this year. On Tuesday, the lower legislative chamber passed a resolution instructing President Tinubu to direct the Minister of Finance, Wale Edun, to unfreeze the accounts within the specific time frame. This development comes after months of uncertainty surrounding the National Social Investment Programs, which includes the Empower, the conditional cash transfer, the government enterprise and the empowerment program, and the homegrown school feeding initiative. The Nsipa accounts were frozen earlier this year in January when President Tinubu suspended all programs administered by the agency for 6 weeks as part of an investigation into allegations of financial mismanagement. During the same period, the Chief Executive Officer of NSIPA, Halima Shehu, was suspended due to alleged financial malfeasance, and the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Alleviation, Edun, was also suspended. Speaking on the matter, Minister of Information and National Orientation, Mohammed Idris, stated last year that a committee had been set up to review the operational mechanism of the programs. The committee reportedly submitted its report, paving the way for the program's resumption, but no specific date had been given for their restart. The House of Representatives call for immediate action, underscores the urgent need for the government to restore these vital programs, which many Nigerians depend on. We are concerned about the hardship many citizens are facing due to the prolonged suspension of these programs. A source in the legislature revealed, with the 72 hours ultimatum now in place, all eyes are on President Tinubu to ensure that these crucial programs are revived and the lives of vulnerable Nigerians are not further disrupted. You see, this is what we are saying. In a related issue, the Abia State Governor said, "It is treasonable offense. Alex Otti slams PDP for establishing shadow government in Abia." Governor Alex Otti of Abia State has condemned the People's Democratic Party for establishing a shadow government within the state, labeling it a treasonous act. Otti pledged to pursue stringent legal measures against the opposition party in accordance with the law. Niger On Point reports that Otti stated this during a significant meeting yesterday with leaders of labor unions in the state. Expressing his concerns regarding this development, the governor characterized the initiative as unfounded and indicative of a lack of understanding of Nigeria's political framework. It is noteworthy that the PDP in Abia State recently declared the creation of a shadow government, appointing a speaker and shadow commissioners, asserting that this initiative was intended to hold the current administration accountable. OTM emphasized that concept of a shadow administration is not recognized in the nation. It's a presidential democracy, and he has directed the state attorney general and commissioner for justice Ikechukwu Onwana to take decisive actions on the matter within the legal frame parameters. There is nothing like a shadow government in the presidential democracy. The problem people have is ignorance, and they refuse to be educated. Shadow governments only exist in parliamentary democracy. What they have set up is, in essence, a government in exile, and since it is not recognized by law, it is treasonable, he said. My people, this is what we are saying. Our people causing confusion here and there. Why that type of government should be established? Government within government. It's impossible. My people, this is what we are saying. In the comment section, you are free to comment on these two vital issues. Say your opinion. Subscribe to this channel. Share, love, and like. God bless Nigeria. Thanks and God bless. Amen.